Curley's wife. She's newly married to Curley. We never know her name. She is merely Curley's property, with no individual identity. She's young, she's pretty, she wears attractive clothes, and she curls her hair. She seems very flirtatious and is always hanging around the bunkhouse. She's very lonely. There are no other women to talk to, and Curley's not really interested in her. And as she says, "What kind of harm am I doing to you? Seems like they ain't none of them cares how I gotta live. I tell you, I ain't used to living like this. I could have made something of myself." She doesn't like Curley. She tells Lenny that she only married him when she didn't receive a letter she'd been promised to get in Hollywood. She's naive.